Hey Slices! So I'm super excited because it is almost zucchini season, which means there's so much zucchini and I need to find recipes to make with it. So in today's video, we are gonna make some zucchini bread, but we're gonna make it in our Instant Pot so I can just throw it in, walk away, run some errands, come back, and it is ready. So let's go spice things up. The first thing we're gonna add to a bowl is 1.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of each, which is salt, baking soda, and baking powder. 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. You'll want to add a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil or canola oil. We always use canola oil. 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. At this point, I like to stir it. And now I like to add my 1.5 cups of grated zucchini. And then stir it again. And then 1 cup of chocolate chips. These are milk chocolate, but you can add dark chocolate as well. These chocolate chips are optional, but our family loves them in the zucchini bread. Another thing that is optional, but we don't usually add, is walnuts. You can add a 1/2 cup of walnuts to it. Now what we have is a 7-inch springform pan, and I sprayed it with cooking spray already. And now we just want to add our mixture right into the pan. Now I'm just going to take my pan and put it on my sling. This sling my sister-in-law bought me. I will try to find a link to it and a link to this pan and put it in the description box below if you want to know where to buy it. To the Instant Pot, I already added 1 cup of water. And now I'm just gonna take my cake pan and put it right in the Instant Pot. And I'm going to put the lid on and turn it on sealing. All right, I'm gonna turn on manual, and I wanna cook it for 60 minutes, and then I'm going to just let it naturally release. You can do it sooner, and you can let it naturally release for about 15 minutes or whatever. But since I am running around doing grocery shopping, I'm just gonna let it naturally release on its own. All right, we're back. If you can see, it's naturally released, which means no steam comes out. And then we're gonna open it up. And then I just take mine out of the pot and just let it cool down on the side for a little bit.
Now, my family usually eats it for breakfast or for snack. My husband, when he has to run out for work, he just cuts off a couple slices of the zucchini bread, heads out for work, eats it on the way. It's a great snack. It's delicious.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, if you want to see more videos, click this link or this link. If you'd like to subscribe, click my face. And remember, I'm always here to help you make beautiful memories through food. Bye, and see you in the next video.